What's going on, everyone? It's Kenosha here, bringing you 60 seconds or less of fitness and workout advice. My first point is find something that fits you and find something that you enjoy. It goes a long way in knowing the consistency in your workouts, knowing that you're progressing, and knowing that it's fun and something to look forward to. Second is if you go into the gym, keep your workouts to 60 minutes or less. You don't have to go hour, 2 hours long. Just be efficient in what you do, and always just try to hit full body if you're in for a quick workout. Third, having someone plan your workouts and taking the thought out of it helps out in the long run. So workout planning, knowing that you're going into the gym with a specific plan, just helps avoid a lot of obstacles you might have. Take care and enjoy. If you have any questions, just message me anytime. Thank you.